Hi, I'm Asmi Mehta. I am a teacher at IntStu Aspirations. I train students for IELTS and GRE. Now today we will learn about synonyms. Synonyms are words with the same meaning. They will help you for your speaking in IELTS. When we talk of lexical resource in speaking, that is something where students understand that it is about high vocabulary, high level words, but that is not the case. It is more about not repeating the words, not saying the same words again and again. It is using a variety of words which mean the same thing. So that is what we are going to look into today. Like for example, we are talking about very simple words. Words like new. What is new? New is a very simple word, but you can say it in a variety of ways. For example, instead of new, you can say fresh. You can say unique. You can use original or unusual. All these words still mean the same thing, new. Instead of repeating new over and over again in your cue card, where you have to go on speaking for 2 minutes, it is a very good idea to use different words and still stay on track. Okay, the next word that we are going to talk about today is very good. Very good is a very general word. So you can use more specific words. Like if you want to say my day went good or very good, you will say my day went excellent or I had a superb day. Also you can use top notch or first rate when you want to talk about something that was very good. Now if we talk about the word happy, when you want to say I am very happy today, you can say I am elated or I am overjoyed. You can also say it has been a blissful day, meaning it has been a happy day. The next word, use. When you want to say I use, you can say utilize, you can say expend, you can say consume. You can even use the word exercise, as in I exercised my right to vote. That means I used my right to vote. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and if you have any queries, you can put it down in the comment section. And you please visit us on www.intstuaspirations.com for any more information that you require. Thank you and have a nice day.